What if I told you that fluent English is not about speaking more, but about speaking smarter? Native speakers don't use long sentences. They use short, powerful phrases. Today, you'll learn how native speakers start conversations, respond naturally, and end conversations smoothly, all with simple, everyday English. Let's start with how conversations begin. How are you? How's it going? Both are correct, but they feel different. How are you feels polite, neutral, slightly formal. How's it going? Casual, friendly, very common. For example, you meeting a friend and you say, "Hey, how's it going?" And your friend's response, "Good, you?" This sounds natural. Now listen. "Hello, how are you doing today?" It's also correct, but too formal for a friend. So here's the quick rule. Casual place equals casual English. Formal place equals polite English. Now let's upgrade your responses. I am fine, thank you. Not bad, thanks. I am fine, thank you is correct, but very bookish. Native speakers say, not bad, thanks. Pretty good. Doing well. This keeps the conversation flowing. Here's another one. That is a good idea. Sounds good. That is a good idea is correct but long. Native speakers prefer short agreement, like sounds good. That works. I'm in. Short responses equal confident English. Here's the quick interaction. Friend, let's study together tomorrow. Your natural response? Sounds good. Now let's talk about action phrases, phrases you use when something happens. Not a problem. No worries. No worries is extremely common. You can use it when someone says sorry, someone thanks you, and you want to reassure someone. Examples, friend, sorry I'm late. You, no worries. Cashier, thanks for waiting. You, no worries. Coworker, I forgot to reply. You, no worries, it's fine. These phrases sound friendly, calm, and natural. Here's another one. I will see you later. Catch you later. I will see you later is correct but formal. Catch you later is informal, friendly, and very common in daily life. You say this phrase when leaving work, ending a short conversation, saying goodbye to friends or colleagues. Example, one of your coworkers says, "All right, I'm heading out," and your natural response, "Cool, catch you later." This sounds native.
Now, where do you hear all these phrases? At work, in shops, with friends, on the phone, in movies and TV. Native speakers don't plan sentences. They reuse these phrases every day. If you learn 10 to 15 of these, your English will change fast.
Remember this, fluent English is not advanced English. It's natural English. So, start conversations naturally, respond simply, end conversations smoothly. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment no worries.